Hey Harley Riders, my name is Kevin with DK Custom Products, and we're excited today to announce our own Tour-Pak relocation filler pad. It's something that we've been working on for a long time, and it's made right here in the United States by DK Custom Products. And today we're going to be going over some of the details of it and showing the installation of it. It's super simple, and it makes it so much more comfortable for the passenger. So for those of you who have relocated your Tour-Pak or think about relocating your Tour-Pak, you know that when you move that Tour-Pak back 2 to 3 inches, it leaves a gap behind the passenger seat, the back of the passenger seat, and the front of the Tour-Pak. And through the years, there's been a variety of companies that have made different filler pads to go in there. And we've used some of them, our customers have used some of them, and none of them have been the ideal solution. And then even the compromise solution that there was available in the past, all of a sudden you couldn't get them anymore. So we've designed one, and again, it's made right here in the United States by DK Custom Products. And this Tour-Pak relocation filler pad fits all bikes with the Tour-Pak from 1997 through current time. This is February 2025. We have no idea what's going to happen in 2026, but this will fit 97 through 2025 Tour-Pak gap between the Tour-Pak and the back seat. So you can see here, this is the Tour-Pak Relo filler pad, and made in the United States. Has a Velcro attachment. So this goes on. This is double-sided tape, not double-sided, this is sticky tape right here on this side of the Velcro that goes to the Tour-Pak, and then it Velcros to the relocation filler pad right here, and it holds it in place even if you're not riding with the passenger at the time, or if you want to take it off, all that will be left is this one little piece of Velcro right here. It's marine grade vinyl. You can see the stitching is very nice on it. It has comfort enhanced memory foam inside. You can see it gives some nice give, and then it comes back. The enhanced memory foam that is inside here is wrapped with a cushioned wrap that helps keep the foam insert from breaking down from abrasion, and also protects it against moisture from rain. It's the same kind of wrap that is used on all the OEM seats, around the foam in all the OEM seats. And this fits right in the space between the back of the passenger seat and the front of the Tour-Pak. And it's just a quality filler pad. Again, it's marine grade vinyl. And here's a whole list of all the different features of the marine grade vinyl. I'll just read through real quick. It's tear and puncture resistant, abrasion resistant, has UV protection, it's waterproof, it's mild and mold resistant, it's resistant to chemicals. Anything you use to clean your seats, you can use to clean the filler pad. It's crack resistant, heat resistant. It has that soft, supple feel just like the seats do. It's stain resistant. It's easy to clean. It has high flexibility. The nice thing is that it matches your seat and the backrest that is on the Tour-Pak. So it's a quality piece, and it will look factory. It's not going to, it's not a different color or different texture than the OEM seats that you find on the touring models and the trikes which have Tour-Paks. So let's go show a quick installation of this on the trike right now. Alrighty, so here we go. This is the factory seat, factory Tour-Pak, factory backrest, and it has a 3-inch Tour-Pak relocation on it. And this is the factory pad that sits right where these 2 bolts are, right there. So that's where the factory pad sits, and you can see this gap here, and of course this factory pad's very thin, and you have all this stuff right here, which is mostly factory. I have a few little extra wires in here, but you can see how this is not a continuation of the seat by any stretch of the imagination. So what I've done is I've taken this factory filler out because it's not enough. I put the bolts back in here because I don't want any water getting in there into the Tour-Pak, and we're going to put in the Tour-Pak filler pad and show how easy it is to install. It goes right in here like this, and it's going to sit right there, and this is going to go up above here. We're going to do that in a second. And you go, oh, well, this is higher, but when you go to sit on it, it continues that. It is super, super comfortable sitting on that. So we're going to put this right here, and this is a 3-inch, but if some people only want to move it back 2 inches, look how easy. Okay, and this wrinkle will be on the bottom. You can put the wrinkles on the bottom, but you can see how the foam, the memory foam that we've used in here, conforms to whatever it needs to and still gives a very comfortable ride. So what we're going to do, we're going to open the Tour-Pak, and we're going to mark, we're going to get this right in the center, right there, and we're going to mark with a couple pieces of tape. We want to give plenty of room for this to go down. So the top is going to be right, and the right side of it, is going to be right here. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get some alcohol, and we're going to clean that surface up really good so that it adheres good to there. A little bit of alcohol, rub it right in here, because this is where we're going to put the adhesive. We take the Velcro off of here, and this is going to go right there. So I peeled this off, and we're going to put this right there. And you can see I didn't even do it straight. It doesn't matter. It's going to be covered by the Velcro, which is wider, much wider than this hook part. The loop part of the Velcro right here, you can see it is wider. So you don't have to be exact. We just want to make sure this adheres well. Pull that off. Pull that off. And you can see those little scratch marks right there. That's from the factory pad moving around on there. I'm going to put this in centered all the way down. Let's make this more like this right here. There we go. And that is installed. And when you sit on that, it is super comfortable. And you can see what it looks like installed. It has completely filled the gap better than the factory flap. And that's it. That's how easy the installation is, folks. As you can see from the installation, the filler pad sits a little bit higher than the passenger seat, and you can go, oh, well, you're going to feel that. No, you're not going to feel it. We used a very special memory foam that is very flexible and very cushy. And when you go to sit on it, you cannot feel the seam where the back of the seat ends and the filler pad begins. And so it conforms very nicely. If we had made it where, and we tried this, if we had made it where the filler pad was even with the seat, then when you went to sit on it, you would feel sort of still a dip down into that gap there, because this is a little bit more plush and cushy than the seat material. And so this is the perfect combination. It gives you the flexibility to, if you just have moved your Tour-Pak back 2 inches instead of 3, it gives you the flexibility to still fit, because you can see it goes like that. And it also makes that transition seamless and very, very comfortable. So don't be put off when you see it not being sat on, that it's sitting up a little bit higher than the seat. It was designed that way so that when you're sitting on it, it feels comfortable and smooth and doesn't feel like it's sagging down at all. Now, another thing to note is, because this fits 97 through current time Tour-Paks, the Tour-Paks have seen a variety of different orientations and designs between 97 and 2025. And so some Tour-Paks are going to have no flap below the Tour-Pak backrest. Others are going to have a larger flap. Others are going to have a smaller flap. On the installation we just did, it's a 2019, and it has a small flap. And I could have left that on there, but found that it fit better, looked better with that flap off. So you may have a Tour-Pak that has a flap that you want to leave in place, and the little Velcro can attach to the Tour-Pak behind that flap. Or in most cases, people will probably find that it's best just to remove that little flap, because the Tour-Pak filler pad fills up that gap that's in there. So a fun little side note here is, when we were designing this and first testing it, we got in many, many different types of memory foam or comfort foam, and we tested them all out. We had probably 20, 25 different people sit on the Tour-Pak filler pad and tell us which foam they like better. And the foam we ended up using was Head & Shoulders, the one that got voted for as the absolute best. And there were very few people that even found the other ones anywhere near as comfortable as this one. If you don't know what a Tour-Pak relocation is, we'll put a link to a description of the Tour-Pak relocation down below. We will also put a video up in the corner of a Tour-Pak relocation. We'll also put up in the corner a video about making your bike or trike most comfortable for the passenger. And what happens, especially if the rider has a backrest, but even if the rider doesn't, the Tour-Pak is just too far forward, and it pushes the passenger into the back of the rider, and over a period of time that can get uncomfortable. The passenger doesn't have as much room to move around, and so it's a good deal to move that Tour-Pak back 2 or 3 inches with the DK Tour-Pak relocation to give that extra room to the passenger so that they're comfortable mile after mile going down the road. If you do not have a Tour-Pak relocation, I suggest you strongly look at doing it. You might get a much happier passenger if you put a Tour-Pak relocation on there. If you have a Tour-Pak relocation and you're still looking for different ways to fill that gap between the seat and the Tour-Pak, this Tour-Pak filler pad is the way to go. It is very, very comfortable. Probably the best testimonial there is of the Tour-Pak filler pad is what one passenger said. And they said, "I used to feel like I was sliding backwards, but now it feels like a full seat." Here's another testimonial, and that is, "I can make longer rides now and not start wiggling around and not wanting to stop before my husband wants to stop." And finally, it makes long rides much more enjoyable. As you can see, this is a nice addition to your bike or trike. It's very easy install, as you saw. And if you're interested in it, there's a link to it in the description down below. We appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really does help us out, and it will help your fellow riders out, because if you subscribe, you click that like button, YouTube is going to put that video out to more people, and they will see it, and they won't be spending their time looking around for what do I do to get more comfort for my passenger. So subscribe, please, if you haven't already. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you know when our next video comes out. We appreciate you watching. You all ride safe out there.